Hello everyone. So let's discuss about the encryption. Okay, we will discuss in our class today encryption and decryption. So let's see here. Encryption is nothing but it is a process of translating the plain text into something that appear to be a random and meaningless thing. Like example, if you have some text, if you see this image with this one, you will have the idea. Example, see here, you have raw data. Okay, you have raw data. You are sending this data to someone, but if anyone in the air, any hacker is capturing your signal, he know what you are sending. But if you encrypt this data, if you encrypt means you are adding some encryption here. We have different types of encryption, but now you understand. If you encrypt this signal, okay, if you encrypt this signal by some keys, like we are using some key, and we will encrypt and we will send that file. So if anyone hack this one, even though they will not understand. So this is a procedure. We can say whenever we want to send any data, we will first encrypt that file and then we will send that one, and the receiver will receive this file and he will decrypt the file. Okay, he will decrypt the file and he will have the data. Or if you see here, you will have more clear idea in this diagram. You have sender here, he is sending some plain text. We are going to encryption, we are going to do the encryption in this one. So we are going to add some key, or we are going to change the plain text. Plain text means you can read whatever is present, but encryption means you cannot read. If you want, let me show you here in our packet tracer. Some password encryption also is there, but we are going to do that encryption, this security part in the security part. But let me show you. If I take one router here, example, this is a router R1. Okay, it is loading. Let it be load. I need to increase the font size also. Here the font size look very small. Let me increase the font size, this to be 12, this to be 12, and apply. So now let's see what is the font size here, little increase. So if you see here, I will go here inside the router and I will go in the config T. Let me type here the configuration, config T. An example, I am using enable secret. Okay, I am giving the password as Cisco. Okay, I give password as Cisco. If I write show run, you will get the configuration, all the configuration. But if you see here, I have the password here. I wrote Cisco just now, but if you see, this is something in encrypted form. You cannot understand by reading this one. If you see, I give this one as a Cisco. If you are sending the data in the plain text like this, everyone can read and they can remember. But if you encrypt the data, it look like this, something like this, so no one will remember. Okay, so what we are saying, encryption, decryption, encrypting, and decrypting. If you see this one, let me show you, not this one, this one here, encryption and decryption. So whenever sender want to send any data, we will add some key to that one and we will encrypt this one, ciphertext we are saying. So it will go to the network wherever you are sending, and the receiver will receive this one and he will decrypt. They will perform the opposite operation, whatever we are performing in the encryption, they will do decryption. After doing this one, they will have the plain text and they will check that one. Okay, and here with this same diagram, we are going to, I am trying to explain you here. Raw data is there, it is going, and we are adding some key, that is encrypted file. It will go to the email or someone somewhere, and the guy will receive and he will do opposite of that one and he will remove the raw data. Same thing I mentioned. This is simple definition. If you see here, we don't have detail. We have described only the encryption. What are the encryption? We have different types of encryption. MD5 we are going to use, MD1, MD2, MD3, message digestive. But that one we have in more detail in CCNP level. If you go for CCNP security, we have more detail. But now just remember, encryption is nothing but a process where we are going to encrypt the plain text. So the guy who will receive, he will not understand, he need to have some key. He are going to do the same procedure in the opposite way. So he will do the decryption and he will get the original data. Okay, and I wrote this text so you will have the idea about this one. By seeing this diagram, you can understand easily. After that, we are going to do the non-overlapping Wi-Fi channel. So in our next class, we are going to do this one. Okay, thank you.